Okay.
Hey guys, it's Super Kids here, back with another video. Today, we're gonna be doing a fire truck video. This is a requested video from a subscriber to actually do a video on like reviewing this fire truck. This is a requested video, so you guys asked, and I will do so. Also, make sure all of you people who are watching this video, make sure you watch until the end, because at the end of the video, I will be doing shout outs. So if you guys want to know if you got a shout out, better watch to the end. So today we're doing this 1992 Ford C Series fire truck. A pretty neat. It is a regular vehicle, so you do not need a game pass for this. Also, it is $30K. That's how much it costs. $30K. So it's not super crazy expensive and stuff, but it is still a good vehicle, still a good fire truck. Over here you got the hose lines here, you got the ladders, you got the equipment here, you got all this equipment, all this stuff on this truck. This truck is fully loaded. This will be a shorter video because it's not too much to talk about this truck. You can see this truck drives really great, or kinda. You got the thing here, we put all the equipment back here, ladders. So I'm sure you guys how they work the lights and siren. Alright, now we got in there. What happened to the sound of this video? So this vehicle has all three transmission modes: MT, AT, ST, and MT. Automatic, manual, manual clutch. And here to hit F to work the lights. And G, siren. For some reason the sign is not working. Okay, what's going on right now? That's G, siren, F. So let's do this, guys. Let's try this thing around. When you're driving this thing, you don't drive like this. You go to fourth gear automatically. Right? From like, you don't just go, you go to fourth gear automatically right away. And I mean right away. So once you get to fourth gear, again, you gotta turn wide with this thing. This thing is not it's like some of the other vehicles may drive. You gotta take with this. Idiot drivers in this game. Drivers that are so dumb. Whoa! Now, I'm gonna turn the graphics down just a tiny bit so we get a little bit less lag in here. Whoa! Oh, sorry about that, guys. I was trying to turn the graphics down and then this happened. Oh, there we go. So again, when you gotta drive this thing, guys, you gotta turn wide and stuff. You really gotta watch what you're doing. Really gotta do all that. This will be a short video. It's gonna be a really short video. There's just not much to say about this truck. Oopsies, I'm sorry, I was looking at something. So again, you just go to fourth gear. It takes time to get used to because it's been a while since I've driven this. Let's turn over here, guys. Turn here. So now it's just shout out. So overall, it's a good vehicle. Great fire truck, 30,000 regular. It's in red. Only color you can get in. So let's do shout outs real quick before we end the video. So the first one getting a shout out. Oh, 24 comments. Jeez. Alright, the first person to shout out is the Flaming Raft. Thank you for commenting. Lorenzo Gore, thank you for commenting. Boy, thank you for commenting. And Leek H, thank you for commenting. So thank you guys for commenting. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, this review. This vehicle drives okay, not the best, really slow, but yeah, it's okay, it's not terrible. It does serve its purpose as a fire truck. It is overall a nice truck to have. So make sure you guys subscribe if not already. Drop a like, comment, share, and post notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you guys in another video.